Well, we're on our way to near Mexico City, and we're on one of the toll roads. And right now, as you can see, all around us, up there, and all the way back for miles, is stopped. So apparently, there is some people up ahead that have they're poor people, and they're not happy with the government, and they chopped some trees down across the road and they're protesting. So we're just sitting here on the highway. Been here for about an hour, and they said they don't know, it could be a couple hours, who knows. So we're just luckily having our home on wheels right here. It makes it easy. We got food, water, you know, washroom, everything. So it's, you know, could be a lot worse, and we're not in a rush. So this is one of these times it's nice not to have to be in a rush to get somewhere quickly. So anyhow, we'll see if they get the road cleared, and hope that we can get moving again. We'll let you know what happens. Okay, well, we're still on the highway. I think we're got to be at least 4 hours or more into this current situation. I call it our Mexican standoff. So as you can see, everybody is just out of the cars and buses and trucks, and back here everybody's talking. There's a real tiny little village over here, and everybody's come out with corn, and they're boiling up a pot of corn up top there and selling snacks and stuff like that. So yeah, it's quite the ordeal going on here. They said it's going to be maybe till 6 o'clock before they're able to get this trees cleared from the road, that this protest that's going on against the government from some group of poor people, which I already said, I guess. But we've been actually enjoying it. Believe it or not, having your own home makes a big difference. So we've had lunch and a few other things, snacks, and yeah, just chilling. So anyhow, we'll keep you updated. Who knows how long this is gonna last. Cheers. Okay, well, we gave in to hunger. We went and got some roadside elotes, which is basically just corn. It's been boiled on a stick with some hot sauce, shredded cheese, and mayonnaise. Here to die for.
Hopefully we don't.
Hopefully we don't tomorrow. Anyhow, just giving you the update. Cheers. Okay, well, after 6 or 7 hours or whatever it's been of waiting on the highway for this protest to clear, we were advised by a bus driver who was turning his bus around, and another guy in front of us, that it wasn't really a good place to be stuck on the highway after dark, that the area was known not to be overly safe. So we decided to follow this guy in front of us, him and his family, who are going to a hotel in a nearby town, and we're just going to try and find a place to park, like a gas station, a Pemex or something, for the night. So I don't know, we decided to err on the side of caution and leave. It may clear, but no use being stuck out in the middle of nowhere, and no way to get out of there if things go wrong. So we'll try and get to somewhere safe. We don't like driving at night, but we're pretty comfortable, so I think everything will be all right. So okay, well, wish us luck. We'll talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye. Hello everyone. Well, just wanted to check in with you about our situation. So last night, it turned out to be the best thing we ever did was listen to the advice of a bus driver and another guy, and we befriended a family on the highway who led us away from the blocked highway and got us to, they were heading to another small town about half an hour away where they knew of a hotel. So we ended up following them there, and they let us park there for the night in the hotel parking lot. So that was really nice of them. Anyhow, we woke up this morning hoping that the protest, you know, had ended and the roads were open, but they're not. So we're basically 24 hours here, at least, of where the roads have been permanently blocked, all the main arteries from the area we're in to get down through to Mexico City or surrounding area. So we're just sitting here trying to figure out what to do. We went up to the blockade and on this one back road, and they had a bunch of guys with machetes and rocks across the road, and vehicles blocking it. So we definitely weren't going to try and cross that line. So we're just sitting in a shaded spot, contemplating our next decision here. We either wait it out another day, or maybe it'll take 3, I don't know, and I don't really want to wait that long, but it's either that or we've got to pretty much change our whole trip itinerary for the way back, which I really don't want to do since we're only an hour and a half from where we want to go. So anyhow, we've stocked up with gas, food, and everything else, so I guess we'll wait it out for a little while longer, and we'll have to make a decision at some point. So we'll let you know as things evolve here. Cheers. So yesterday, after waiting around for the roadblocks to clear, at 12 o'clock noon, they still hadn't, so we decided to embark on a 10-hour road trip to bypass all the roadblocks. So we finally made it to our destination, but it was a long, that seems like a very long 10 hours it took to get here, but hey, we're in Mexico, so what do you do? Cheers. Okay, so you're probably asking us what was so great to go and drive 10 hours for. Well, I'm going to show you what it is. This is the 3rd largest pyramid in the world, next to the Great Pyramids of Giza in Egypt, and it's the Temple of the Sun, and it is massive. This is the site. It's called Teotihuacan, and it's very famous. It's known to be the largest civilization in Mesoamerica many years ago. But the thing is just huge.
Du denn da hinten irgendwo wieder runterkommst? Sonst eine mittlere Stufe, oder? Musst jetzt hier wieder zurückgehen.
So this is the second pyramid on site, and it is the Pyramid of the Moon. It's not as big as the Pyramid of the Sun, but nevertheless still a massive structure. All the stairs here for climbing are just like so vertical.
Fíjese.
Again, a very well preserved site, and well worth coming to see if you make it to the east side of Mexico City, just outside. It's not that far. So yeah, I'm glad we did the big drive. We'll talk to you later. Cheers.